Hello friends, today we are going to see how to create collection, how to create environment variables. So let me first show you how to create collection. To create a collection, you have to either click on this plus icon, or if you have already created a request, just click on this save button. There you have one option called new collection. Write down the name of the collection as per your choice. Then click on this create button, and then you have to save. Click on this save button, and you can see that the collection is already created, and the request you have created before is saved under that particular collection. Now you can save all the requests inside that collection. Let me do very quickly for each and every request. The last one is delete, and then we have to click on the save button. All the requests is now under the collection MyCSR. Now let me show you how to create environment variable. To create an environment variable, we have to click on this icon, click on the add button, provide the name of the environment you are as per your choice, like MyCSHUB env, and then you have to provide the environment variable. Like the environment variable will be based on the key and value pair. So there, for each value, we have one key, which is basically used wherever you want to call the variable. So I am going to replace all the base URL with the help of this environment variable. Let me provide the name like URL, and the value will be https colon double slash reqres dot in slash API slash, or you can use only the base URL. That's it. Then click on the save button. The environment will be created. Now go to the request, any request of your choice. Remove the base URL, the value we have used in the environment variable. Use the double curly braces. Inside that, we have to provide the URL. Okay, like the key you have used for the URL. Now you can see that it displays something like unresolved variable. So basically, we are using a variable which does not have any value right now. So to fetch out the value, we have to click on this drop down, no environment, and then from there we have to select this my CSR, or you have to select yours, whatever you have created. And now you can see, if you hover on it, you will get the variable value over there. And then if you click on the send button, the API is still working. So this is how you can create an environment variable. Now it's your task to, create all the variables, replace all with the environment variables, and complete the task. Do let me know in the comment section if you are facing any issue with like creation of the collection or environment variable. I will resolve those issues as soon as I will get chance to resolve it.